这里，来到中文的天地，听故事，玩游戏，快快乐乐的学习。我们一起来努力，汉字变得好容易。在这里，我和你，边玩边学笑嘻嘻，学习中文好有趣。
小朋友，你们好，我是 Cindy 老师。Welcome to Little Chinese Learners. 欢迎。We have something very exciting in store for you. Starting today, we will begin a 4-part series exploring the amazing diversity of animals. In part 1, we will learn about some of our closest animal friends, the domestic animals that live with us or live near us. In part 2, we will dive deep into the ocean to explore the wondrous world of sea animals. Then we will go back on land and discover some of the most fascinating animals in the wilderness. And finally, in part 4, we will shrink down to explore the tiny world of insects and bugs. Each part of the series will cover 8 different animals, because 8, 八, is the lucky Chinese number. For each animal, we will learn its Chinese name and a phrase to describe its unique characteristic. Are you ready to explore the animal kingdom? Let's go! Animals. 动物. 动 means to move, and 物 means a thing. So in Mandarin, we literally refer to animals as things that move. Cool, right? 动物. In this lesson, we will explore 动物 that people keep for companionship or for help. You may have seen some of them on a farm, or even in your own home as pets. Speaking of pets, let's start with man's best friend. 狗. That's our word for dog. 狗. Dogs are often referred to as man's best friend because of their loyalty and companionship. They come in many different breeds, sizes, and colors. 狗. What can dogs do? Dogs can bark. 狗会叫. 狗会叫. While dogs are popular pets for their loyalty and playfulness, cats are also a beloved pet choice for their independence and cleanliness. 猫. That's the word for cat. 猫. Cats are known for their curious nature and their nimbleness. 猫. They're also known for their ability to hunt mice. 猫会抓老鼠. 猫会抓老鼠. While catching mice may be a useful skill in some places, we should be careful not to keep our cats too close to the next pet. 仓鼠. That's the little furry hamster. 仓鼠 is quite a popular classroom pet. 仓鼠. They're small and tend to sleep during the day and become more active at night. Hamsters can dig holes. 仓鼠会挖洞. 仓鼠会挖洞. While hamsters are adorable, they're not the only small furry pets people keep. This next one is super cute too. 兔子 That's the Chinese word for rabbit. 兔子 Rabbits have long ears, powerful hind legs, and soft fur. 兔子 Rabbits love to hop around and can jump up to 4 times their body length. They sure can jump. 兔子会跳。兔子会跳。But no matter how high rabbits can jump, they can't quite get as high as the next animal that can fly. 鸟 That's the word for bird. 鸟 Some birds, like eagles and hawks, live in the wild, while other kinds of birds, like parrots, can be kept as pets. 鸟 Some birds can sing, and some birds can even mimic our speech. But I think the most impressive skills birds have is their ability to fly. 鸟会飞。鸟会飞。Our next animal is also a kind of bird, but it can't really fly far. 鸡 That's the word for chicken. 鸡 While chickens have wings, they can only fly for short distances. They're often pecking at the ground for their food. 鸡 Nowadays, most chickens are raised in farms for their meat and eggs. Hens can lay eggs. 鸡会生蛋。鸡会生蛋。Our final 2 animals are also found on farms, mostly because they're too big to keep in the house. 牛 That's the word for cow. 牛 Cows are large, gentle animals that are kept on farms for their milk, meat, and labor. 牛 Did you know that cows can weigh up to 1,500 pounds? That's about the same weight as a small car. They're very strong, and that's why farmers use cows to plow fields. 牛会耕田。牛会耕田。Another animal that also helps out with farm work and transportation is the horse. 马 That's the Chinese word for horse. 马 Horses are majestic animals that have been used for transportation, farming, and sports for thousands of years. They come in many different breeds, sizes, and colors. 马 Horses are especially known for their running speed, so horse racing remains a popular sport even today. They sure can run. 马会跑。马会跑。Excellent! We learned 8 animals today. 狗、猫、仓鼠、兔子、鸟、鸡、牛和马。In our homework, we will practice writing and saying their names in Chinese. We will also work on some crafts and fun exercises. Don't forget to send me your homework after you finish them. 加油！我们下次再见！